Hi and welcome. This is Lee Waller. Today I want to look at compositing. This is the main concept in motion graphics, motion media design. I have here in front of us an animation that hopefully helps illustrate the concept of compositing. What's going on here is hopefully you see that a number of different elements are being brought together to create one final scene, and that's compositing. You can see here, and I'm going to stop this animation, and we're going to take a look at the different elements in this composition. So we are in After Effects, and this is a composition here. And what we have over here to the far left are all of the different assets that make up this composition. We'll take a look at them fairly quickly. Here is the footage of Indiana Homes there, and that is a video clip, and that is shot on a green screen. And we have the ability to cut out this background, the green background, and leave nothing but Indiana Homes. Going on into the rest of the assets, you see that we have this stone fence here. This was something that was built in Cinema 4D, rendered out as a PNG with an alpha channel so that we can lay this over other items. We also have this green screen footage here from YouTube, and the link is down below. And again, the idea of green screen is that we can cut out this background and we're left with nothing but the giraffe, the hay, and we can composite that in, lay that into the composition. Then we also have graphics. This graphic also was made in Cinema 4D, rendered out as a PNG. The rest of these elements, we have the mountain, and then the sky is a full screen background. And then the tree, the plants, that are all different elements. So all of these different elements, separate by themselves, can be useful, but when we bring them together, that is compositing. That is the concept of compositing. So in motion media design and motion graphics, we're going to use this concept of compositing with any number of different types of assets. The things that we can bring in will be video clips, pictures, images, graphics. All of these different types of things can be brought together to create one new scene.